Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to enable SOS and send SOS to emergency contact number in any Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So first you just open the settings, and after that just click on this safety and emergency, and now you will see here emergency SOS. Just click on it. Now it will show you the instructions how to enable the emergency SOS. So in my case, you can see here, I need to press this power or lock button 3 times. So below you can see here, send SOS to emergency contact. Just turn it on. Now just click on this add contacts. Now click on this add emergency contact and add your respective contact which you want to add. So finally I have added emergency contacts. Right now you can see. Now just move back. Now you can see here emergency contact being added, and you can enable some more options. As you can see here, add us pictures, add us audio recording. So I'll not enable this. So if you want to enable, you can enable those features also, and you can click on the start emergency sharing. So now let me press this power or lock button 3 times, as you can see here, to enable the emergency SOS. 1 2 3. So you can see emergency number. So let me just disable it, and now you can see here emergency sharing is automatically enabled. So let us wait and let us check if it's sent emergency SOS to the respective device or not. So you can see emergency sharing. So you can see here under the device I have got a emergency report. So if you want to disable this emergency sharing, just click on it, and if you swipe down the notification panel and click on this stop sharing. So by using this inbuilt feature, you can easily enable SOS and send SOS to emergency contact number in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.